Good morning, students. So today I am taking a new topic, that is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. So what does this mean? Suppose if you have a matrix A, and inside the A matrix I am showing the notation of element to be I into J with my rows as M and columns as N. So if I interchange this matrix, so the notation will be same, but it will come as N into M. Then the output of that matrix is known as what? Transpose of a matrix. So what does this mean? Suppose if I have a matrix A with order 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So this is having 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. When I am talking about transpose, so transpose symbol goes for either this, or you can say A of T or A dash. So that means your rows, so this is your first row, so first row will become first column, second row will become your second column. So now if you see this, how many rows are here? 3, and how many columns are there? 2. So you can see number of rows have got exchange into column and number of columns has got exchange into rows. So this is known as interchanging of rows and columns inside a matrix is known as your transpose of a matrix. Okay, one more example I want to take. Suppose if you have matrix 3, 5, minus 3, 0, 1, 2. So it is having order 3 into 2. So if you want to write the transpose, so first row will become first column, second row will become your second column, and third row will become your third column. So now your rows are 2 and columns are 3. So this is the interchanging between rows and columns. Okay. So there are some properties of transpose of a matrix. So properties of a transpose of a matrix. So what is the first property is, suppose if you have a transpose matrix and you want to take again the transpose, so that will be interchanged into your original matrix. For example, if you have a matrix in this form 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and if I want its transpose, so it will be 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1. Again that transpose, if I want to do the transpose, again the first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become your third column. So it is matching with your original matrix, isn't it? So transpose again of transpose will be your original matrix. Okay. Number 2 is, if a scalar quantity is multiplied inside a matrix with transpose, then this will be equal to K into A transpose. This is the second. Third is, if A plus B whole transpose will be equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And the last property is AB whole transpose will be equal to B transpose into A transpose. So these are the 4 important properties based on the transpose of a matrix. Okay. Now suppose, let me take one example. If I write a matrix A with 3, root 3, 2, 4, 2, 0, and I take another matrix B 2, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, and I want to check whether A transpose again of A transpose is equal to A. Next is A plus B whole transpose, is it equal to A transpose plus B transpose? And third property is KB whole transpose, is it equal to K into B transpose? So let me check these 3 things for the given question. So A matrix number 1, A is 3, root 3, 2, 4 2 0. So A transpose is 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. Again I want to take the whole transpose of this matrix, so it is coming 3 4 root 3 2 2 0. So yes, our first part is verified, isn't it? Left hand side, right hand side is equal. Next is A plus B whole transpose, is it equal to A transpose plus B transpose? So A is 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. So we have got A transpose. Let us write together, let us complete the transpose part. Okay, and your B is 2 minus 1 2 1 to 4. So what will be the B transpose? Will be 2 minus 1 2 1 to 4. So left hand side is A plus B. First we have to do A plus B, then we have to take transpose, isn't it? So A plus B, add it. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Root 3 minus 1, then 4, then will be 5, then 4, then 4. So if I want to take A plus B whole transpose, so first row will become first column, is not it? And second row will become second column. So left hand side we are getting this part, okay, and right hand side is you have to add the transpose part, that is this two part you have to add it. So A transpose plus B transpose, so what is coming, let us check. 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4. So yes, second property, the addition property, this is the third property, is also matching, is not it? The second part of the question. Okay, and third is what? KB whole transpose must be equal to KB transpose. So K is your unknown matrix, is not it? So K into B, first let us do K into your B matrix is 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. So this will be 2K minus K 2K K 2K 4K, is not it? This is your KB. Now if you want to take KB transpose, so first row will become first column, that is 2K minus K 2K K 2K 4K. Okay, so this is your left hand side, and what is given right hand side, so you have to multiply the K with B transpose. So this is your B, so what will be the B transpose, that is 2 minus 1 2 1 2 and 4, is not it? Your B is this one, B transpose will be this one, and you have to multiply your B transpose with K, so again it will come 2K K minus K 2K 2K 4K. Yes, so this part and this part if you compare, our answer is coming equal. So this important properties of transpose of matrix you have to remember while doing the sums. Okay.